the city, and we got what we got out of that. Thankfully, not worse than it actually was. But let that be a lesson to folks who are off to the south and now underneath
The
the severe
National Weather
thunderstorm warnings.
Service
And it
in
looks like a new
Chicago has
one's popping
issued a
up. I'll
severe
talk about that in
thunderstorm
just a second.
warning for
These
southeastern
go very
Cook
quickly,
County
and the
in
reason I say
northeastern
that is I
Illinois
want to pull this
until
full screen
1:30
for you
p.m.
and show you
At
exactly what the southern
12:59
edge of it
p.m.,
is doing.
a severe
Every single
thunderstorm
time
was
a new
located
cell
over
comes up,
South
it
Shore,
gets this little
moving
kind of
northeast
hump
at 50
here.
miles per
Shirley was
hour.
talking about this earlier.
Hazard,
That's
60
the
miles
inflow.
per
And then the
hour
thunderstorm, and I
with
guarantee, I don't even have to look
Source,
at the velocity
radar
before I
indicated.
pull this up. I guarantee you that,
Impact,
yeah, you're going to
expect
see
damage
some
to
rings
roofs,
next
siding,
to
and
rents
trees.
here as that air
Locations
starts to get
impacted
sucked into the
include
storm and
Chicago,
spun
South
up into the
Shore,
rotation that is
Englewood,
hanging out in the
Rutland, Chatham,
atmosphere. So
Auburn,
we are still
Gresham,
watching
Hyde
these
Park,
storms. I want to
Greater
go up
Grand
to that
Crossing,
box that's
South
just off toward
Chicago,
north to
Woodlawn,
see where
Kenwood,
that new warning
Calumet
is.
Heights,
It looks like
Washington
it's pretty
Park,
close to
Avalon
Chicago.
Park, and
So again, I do
Burnside,
want to pull that in. Okay, it's
including
south,
the
just
following
south of the city.
interstates.
So
Interstate 90
outside of
between
Englewood,
mile
it's kind
markers
of moving
100
around
and 104.
the area of 79th,
Interstate
just
94
north of
between mile
Burnside,
markers
actually
60
probably
and
clipping a
62.
portion of the northern edge of
Interstate
Burnside.
294 between mile
And then
markers
basically on
60 and
Skyway, I
62.
believe, here off to
This
the
includes
east
University
and
of
out over
Chicago
Lake
and
Michigan.
Museum of
So this is
Science
just
and
the
Industry.
northern edge. It's kind of
The tornado
extending
watch
because
remains
it looks
in
like that
effect
storm
until
has
7
built a
p.m.
little
for
bit off to
northeastern
the north.
Illinois.
When I pull up the
For your
velocity data, it's going
protection,
to pull me
move to
back
an
off to the
interior
south,
room
but
on
it's
the
worth
lowest
watching
floor of
here
a building.
because
Torrential
this is
rainfall is occurring with
thankfully
this
not
storm
warned
and may
as
lead to flash flooding.
tornado
Do not
possible
drive your
severe
vehicle through
thunderstorm.
flooded
But even
roadways.
this one, I mean, as it got going a little bit here, you see the air getting sucked into it, and what do you know? Pretty close to each other on the radar. There are some greens next to reds. And the great
Central
thing
Daylight
about
Time.
our Doppler radar and our weather